We will discuss one of the important topic is that infrastructure requirement to the community pharmacy. So it is one of the most important topic for the establishment of new community pharmacy. And that important topic is that first one, space layout. Here, plant layout is a method of allocating machine and equipments involved in transformation process of product with the available space of the factory, which helps to perform various operations in the most efficient and convenient manner, providing output of high quality and minimum cost. We will discuss important one is objectives of an ideal plant layout. We will discuss the first important characteristic is to attract the maximum customers. Second one, to increase the sales of the stores, and third one is the to provide the customers satisfaction, and the fourth one to maximum utilization of space, and the fifth one is the to control the movement inside the store. Next, third one, we will discuss types of layout. So these are broadly classifying into three types. First, A, process layout, B, product layout, and C, combination layout. So these are the three important types of the layout. We will discuss the first layout is the process layout. It is also known as functional layout. It is characterized by keeping similar machines or similar operation at one location. The arrangement of machines of a particular class doing a particular type of work or process as a separate department. Example, cutting machines may be placed under the cutting department. Advantages in that first one is that better machine utilization, and second one, greater flexibility. We will discuss the second one, product layout. It is also called as straight line layout. The product can be manufactured in large quantity by repetitive operation. We will discuss advantages in that first one, less space requirement for the same volume of production, and second one, smooth and continuous workflow. We will discuss the third type is that combination layout. Is a combination of process and product layout that combines the advantages of both type of layout. These combination layout should be efficient by keeping material handling at minimum level. So suitable layout planning is required to keep the cost of product minimum. We will discuss the fourth one, selection of pharmacy site. So in that first one, a needy town or city should be selected. Second one, the site available must be most suitable on one available city, and third one, well equipped with adequate and free parking facility, and fourth one, site of pharmacy should be at the center of the population to be served to ensure accessibility and convenience. We will discuss the fifth one, plant location and what are the factors influencing the selection of a location for the construction of pharmaceutical plant is vital decision to be taken because it determines the balancing of investment and profit. Factors that influencing plant location are: first one, fundamental factors are primary factors. Second one, derived or secondary factors. Let me will discuss the first one. Fundamental factors are primary factors. Important fundamental factors are: the first one, raw materials, and the second one, market of products, and third one, energy availability, and fourth one, transportation facility, and the fifth one, labor supply, and the second one, derived or secondary factors. So some of important factors that are considered during the plant establishment, so that are: the first one, climate and soil, and second one, government concessions, third one, water supply, fourth one, waste disposal, and fifth one, site characteristics, and sixth one, flood and fire protection, seventh one, community factors. We will discuss the sixth one, special provisions of factory premises in that location. It is important to recognize that the pharmaceutical industry has some special requirements that need to be interpreted. The factors shall be situated in place which a place shall not be adjacent to open sewage, drain or public lavatories. B. Shall not be adjacent to a factory which produces disagreeable or obnoxious odors or fumes. In that, C. Shall not be adjacent to factory which emits large quantities of soot, dust or smoke.